Hey guys, today in this video, I will show you how to buy ton on Tonkeeper. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper app. And here on the homepage, you need to tap on the buy and sell option. Once done, it will show you this type of section in front of you, where the first setting that you need to do is to simply change or choose your country. So by default, it will take in which country you are, but if it doesn't, then you just have to tap on the current country that you see. And from this list, you just have to select your country. After selecting it, it will show you the respective providers from whom you can buy the Tone coin. So as you can see that there are a bunch of them. But if you want to get more, then tap on the Show All option. Now among these, you just have to select that particular provider which you want to use. Let's say I want to use this first one that is Mercurio. So I simply tap on it, and then I am going to tap on Open. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of its provider, where you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend, and then it will show you how much Tone coins you are going to get. Now tap on the Buy option, and then it will ask you to select your payment method, so you can select any of the payment method based upon your region. If you want to change your region over here, then tap on this region section. And here you just have to select your region. So after selecting it, you just have to tap on the Buy button in the bottom. Then it will redirect you on the payment page where you just have to simply conclude your payment. And this way you will be able to get the Tone coins in your Tonkeeper wallet. So that's basically how you can buy ton on Tonkeeper. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.